Come on in, I'm going to show you something kind of rad.
Yeah.
So this is where we make mimiTENS, just outside of Toronto. My name is Anna Maria Mountfort and I started this business from a nothing. I have no design experience. I used to work for the government and these funny little mittens are now available all around the world. Okay, first the fabric is laid out and cut by Simon with this machine, which I call the Ka-Chunka Chunka. Once the panels are cut, they are sent to a different factory for the artwork, which is the embroidery. In the meantime, see, the insides are put together, then the artwork comes back and they're all sewn together. They serge on the sock tube sleeve and then the mittens are ready for hang tags. I've been super deliberate with the inputs that I've chosen. Water repellent nylon and Ecotech certified bamboo rayon fleece and recycled thinsulate. I'm super proud to use recycled thinsulate. I love that it's made out of recycled plastic. Fantastic.
Thinsulate is the original warmth without bulk insulation, and what's great about that for mittens is that you get a nice thin profile. They're not bulky, so it's not going to restrict movement. So with recycled thinsulate, we use 50% post-consumer waste. So things like pop bottles, water bottles are used as part of the manufacturing process. And that's really great. We're doing our little bit to help with the environment. And I think it's a nice fit with your product.
I love, love, love Toronto. The DVP is my favorite street. Oh, look there. I like the Rainbow Bridge. DVP. And I like to turn onto the Gardner, and when you see that cityscape and the whole city just opens up to you, I just think, my God, that's my town and anything is possible. I love it here. It's the best. Whole Foods Market is mimiTENS' biggest client, and I hope that our relationship will continue to grow as it has year over year. If you can buy olive oil from Italy, you can buy mittens for kids from Canada. They move a lot of mittens here at the Yorkville location. It's also my grocery store. I'm here every week eating cherry danishes and other yummy things. Do you want one? Why do we sell so many mimiTENS here at Whole Foods Market?
Because they're awesome. Say for example, you put one on, it's really easy, and it's so soft inside because it has that bamboo, and
they're sick warm.
You can't shake them off.
Right. Yeah.
Customers love them. It's a local vendor, who's you.
Yeah.
And part of Whole Foods Market core values is to support local vendors.
This guy's got a mustache. Every day is Movember for him.
I just love the design. That's my favorite part. I love the little drawings on them and the fact that they're locally made.
We're really proud that you're making everything right here in Scarborough. It's really fantastic. We'd love to see more people making things here in Canada and in Ontario. It's great.
It's really quite important to me to manufacture in my country, to create work here. I'm actually quite opinionated about it, truth be told. I feel uncomfortable when designers say stuff like we don't have the capacity to make things in Canada. In some instances this is true, but in others it's not. And what is more is that if people keep choosing offshore, then yes, for sure, there will never be that manufacturing capacity in Canada ever again. It's actually very personal to me to have factory work in Canada. It's how my family got their start just after the Second World War.
That's correct. Here we are hang tagging, getting the rush order out. And I'm handing over to Anna Maria, one generation to the next, manufacturing coming back to Canada.
That's right. Hip hip hooray.
There we go.
I think that a great deal of mimiTENS' success has to do with the fact that they are made in Canada. mimiTENS, made in Canada because it is the right thing to do.